Furnishing a house can be expensive. Perhaps you've just moved into your first home and you're having to make do with your grandparents' old coffee table. Well, a small budget doesn't mean you can't create something trendy and unique. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn your old furniture into something stylish by covering this coffee table in DC Fix's self-adhesive film. Before you start, you'll need a DC Fix application kit, including a smoother and a scalpel, sharp scissors, a pencil for marking up, a tape measure and a clean cloth or duster. Unscrew the legs of your table to make it easier to work with. Ensure your tabletop is clean and dry, then using the grid on the backing paper as a guide, mark out the area and cut the film to size, leaving enough excess to fold around the edges. Remove a corner of the backing paper to expose the vinyl and apply it to the surface of the table. Press down on the film with your smoother, removing the backing paper as you go. For neat edges, cut a straight line with the edge of the table. Fold over the flap to the side of the table, then fold over the excess film and smooth down firmly. If applying to curved edges, use a hairdryer on the coolest settings to soften the film before moulding around the curve. If you have an air bubble in your vinyl, simply pull it back and reapply, or push the bubble to the edge with your smoother. Alternatively, use a pin to prick a hole in the film and release the air. If you find your sheet is crooked, simply remove it from the table and start again. Once your tabletop is complete, leave it to bond for 24 hours. Then reattach the legs and your trendy new coffee table is ready to enjoy. Your DC Fix is incredibly durable, so don't worry about hot cups of coffee or spilled glasses of wine, because the surface is heat resistant up to 75 degrees and can easily be wiped clean using a damp cloth. There are a lot of great designs in the DC Fix range, so you can upcycle your table to fit your decor and personality.